Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Play console and why each step matters. Create a Google account with two-step verification so your developer access stays secure. Once done, register for a Play console developer account and pay the $25 one-time fee to publish. Next, gather key assets, an APK or AAB build, a high-resolution icon, a feature graphic, and a hosted privacy policy, because Play needs these for listing, review, and user trust before you can upload your first release. You now upload and configure the release, focusing on accuracy and compliance. First, upload your AAB or APK to an internal test track to validate installs. This catches build issues early. Then fill in store details, title, short and long descriptions, category, and contact info, because Play uses them for discovery and support. Configure content rating, pricing, and targeted countries so legal and monetization settings match your audience. Make sure to attach screenshots and required promotional assets before moving to review. You finish by submitting the app and preparing to troubleshoot common rejects. Run pre-launch reports and fix any policy flags or crashes because reviewers will reject apps with stability or policy problems. Once confident, promote the release to production and monitor the review status and early user feedback so you can respond quickly. If Google rejects the app, read the rejection reasons carefully, update the binary or metadata, retest in the internal track, and resubmit. This loop resolves most issues and speeds approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.